Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today I am doing the easiest room in the house because it is a busy day. We don't have a television in our upstairs living room. I love it this way. It is a room to go to read or work or visit with friends. It's really easy to clean. We have an antique wood cabinet that's meant to hold music, but we use it for photo albums. Other than that, there's just places to sit and visit. It's so easy to clean and takes hardly any time. One thing about keeping stuff to a minimum is that it doesn't take a lot of time to take care of things. I wish I had known this when my kids were really young. It could have saved me many hours of cleaning and picking up. I could have spent more time outside playing with my kids instead of spending so much time trying to keep things clean. At least I learned it at some point. Life is more than collecting stuff. It is about people, not things. If you're struggling to keep up with things in your home, I would suggest that you look at what you have and see if you can make things easier for yourself by simplifying things, especially if you have young kids. People are not better or worse depending on how much stuff they have, but life is simpler when you have less. You have to choose the best balance for yourself. I've also included the front closet. It was easy to do as well. I had to just quickly look through what we had and make sure we had pairs of mittens and gloves and wanted all of the things that we had in there. We have a few more coats, gloves, and warm socks than we need, but we keep extras for when we have company in the winter. I'm glad I got this done early in the day. I don't have to think about decluttering or cleaning for the rest of the day. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.